Welcome back. Here's the box. I already opened it for easier when you're trying to do it with one hand. The second $50 order with free shipping from Red Beards Novelties Showcase. Let's see what we got. Here's my order form. Paper. More paper. Anyway, we have some Color Magic Fire. Has some pretty good, interesting things that I might try to do with this. Experiments on the way. Let's see. We got Top Gun, Red, White, and Blue Smoke. I've tried Red, White, and Blue Smoke before, but not by Top Gun. Another Red Beard sticker. Let's see. Got these Cannon Blast or Combat Zone World Class. A couple of these. I don't know. They're different. I like them. And then I got some World Class Glow Sparklers. And then I seen these Crowning Glory by Brothers. Another handheld fountain of sorts. Alright, what do we got here? Cannon Blast Assortment. We'll have to check that out in a second. And Secret Booty Stash Extras for you. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Oh wow, look at Red Beard. He hooked me up. Thank you, Red Beard. Got some fuse and smoke balls. Got a whole bunch of sparklers, more sparklers, magic wands, another up in smoke, some more trading cards, more stickers, magic wands, and this cool reflective Red Beard's Revenge. What a great guy. Oh, here's some more booby traps. What is this? Army Smoke. I mean, he hooked me up. Thank you so much, Red Beard. Believe me, more orders will be on the way. Peace. Oh, and I also almost forgot about the Cannon Blast assortment. I had ordered all these before. I did demos on them all, but I'm a collector, so all these will be in my collection.